Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। आज के इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Now, if you want to have some fun, please stand up and come close to the TV. We will sing and dance. अब आपको अगर कोई मस्ती करनी है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाए और टीवी से थोड़ा नजदीक आए। हम गाना भी गाएंगे और नाचेंगे भी।
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like all of us to learn some new words. Our first word is carefully. 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 Please listen to the song carefully. Read the questions carefully given in the paper. Our second word is finished. 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 Vaibhav finished his homework. I finished my drawing. Our third word is everyone. 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 Everyone enjoyed the Diwali party. Everyone was happy to visit the zoo. Our last word is bored. 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 My teacher uses blackboard to write. I have a whiteboard in my home. Great! We learned 4 new words today. Let's revise them. Carefully, everyone, finished and bored. Very good, students. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. Students, can you tell me how many alphabets do we have in English? अंग्रेजी में कितने अक्षर होते हैं? Yes, there are 26 alphabets in English. अंग्रेजी में 26 अक्षर होते हैं. Can you tell me what those alphabets are? क्या आप वो अक्षर हमें बता सकते हैं? Let's sing the alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great! Now, can you tell me why do we use these alphabets? क्या आप बता सकते हैं हम ये अक्षर क्यों यूज करते हैं? We use these alphabets to make words. हम अक्षर को शब्द बनाने के लिए साथ में लेकर आते हैं. What would happen if there are no alphabets? अगर भाषा में अक्षर ही नहीं होते तो क्या होता? If there were no alphabets, then there would be no words. If there are no words, then there would be no sentences. How will we communicate if there are no sentences? अगर अक्षर नहीं होते तो शब्द नहीं बनते. अगर शब्द नहीं होते तो वाक्य कैसे बनते? और अगर वाक्य नहीं होते तो हम एक दूसरे से बातचीत कैसे करते? Doesn't this tell us the importance of alphabets in a language? ये हमें बताता है कि कोई भी भाषा में अक्षर की बहुत कीमत होती है. I hope you were able to guess most of the answers. Now it's time for us to do an activity. Now I will show you an image on the board. We will read that letter together. Can we see a small letter A? Yes, it's A. And then can we see the capital letter A? A. A for apple. Very good. Now we will learn all the alphabets today. Let's look at all of them. B. B. B for ball. C. C. C for cat. D. D. J for joker. K. K. K for kite. L. L. L for leaf. M. M. M for mango. N. N. Box from X. Y. Y. Y for York. Z. Z. Z for zebra. We learned so many alphabets and so many new words. Now, I would like to show you those alphabets and you can write them in your notebook. हमने बहुत सारे अक्षर और नए-नए शब्द सीखे हैं। अब आपकी नोटबुक में आप वो अक्षर लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए। आपके स्क्रीन के सामने अब पूरे अक्षर का चार्ट आएगा। आप वो आपकी नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं। I hope you were able to write the alphabets. Don't worry if you are not able to. Now, I will teach you how to write a few alphabets and we will make letter cards. अब मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी लेटर कार्ड्स कैसे बनाते हैं। हम कुछ अक्षर लिखने की कोशिश करेंगे। Let's do it. Children, please bring one page with you, a pen or a pencil and lots of colors. बच्चों, आपके पास अगर पेपर, पेन, पेंसिल और रंग है तो प्लीज इकट्ठा कीजिए। Now we will try to make the letter card of alphabet A. Let's write small letter A. Very good. Now can you try to write it? Now at the back of this we will write the capital letter A. This is called a letter card. Small letter A and capital letter A. Would you like to fill some colors in this? आप कोई भी रंग इसमें भर सकते हैं। Let's also color this. Yay! Our letter card of alphabet A is ready. Small letter A and capital letter A. Like this, you can make a lot of other letter cards with different alphabets. I hope we were all able to make letter cards. Now it's time for an interesting activity. But I need a friend for this. Can we call Balu? Let's call Balu. Balu, can you come? Yes, it is letter J. Very good. Can you tell me what this letter is?
Yes, it is E.
Yes. Very good, students. I hope you are also able to guess it. Now, what about this letter? Can you guess? Yes, it is T. The letter T. Okay. Looks like all of you are very smart students. What about this letter?
It is P.
Yes, very good. What about this letter?
It is N.
Yes, it's letter N. Now, let us also say few words from the letter we guess. What is this letter?
This is O.
O. Can you tell me O for?
Orange.
Very good. O for orange. What about this letter?
R for rabbit.
Yes, it is the letter R. R for rabbit. What about this letter?
C for cat.
Yes, very good, Balu. This is letter C. C for cat. Great, Balu. You were very good. I hope all of you were able to guess the letters. Now it's time for another activity. Great, Balu. That was very well played. Now it's time for another activity. I will tell you a certain activity. You have to tell me which organ do you use for that activity. Now, let me say this. I was Balu's ears and all of our ears. We listen to things with our ears. Very good. I hope you all enjoyed the activity and our time with Balu. Please make a few letter cards like we learnt today. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.